Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you exactly how to check your orders and mark them as fulfilled in your Wix e-commerce store. Whether you're just starting out or you've already made a few sales, knowing how to manage your orders properly is absolutely essential to keeping your customers happy and your business running smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll be confident navigating your Wix dashboard to view, track, and fulfill your orders, all in just a few easy steps. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to head over to your Wix website design. This is the main control center for everything related to your online store. If you're not sure where to find it, just log into Wix and you'll see your site listed in the dashboard. Think of this as your store's headquarters. It's where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Once you're there, look over at the left-hand side panel. You'll see a menu with a list of options, and you want to select My Business. This section is basically the nerve center for all your daily operations. You can manage everything from products to orders to analytics, all from one convenient place. Next up, inside the My Business area, you'll want to find your Wix store. Choose Manage Products. This is an important step because it organizes all the products you're selling and gives you access to sale details. Even if you're not adding new products right now, it's helpful to know where this is. Imagine it like sorting your inventory shelves in a brick-and-mortar shop. Once you're in the product management section, look for the tab labeled Sales and then click on Orders. This is where you'll be able to view all the orders your customers have placed. Wix lays it out in a clear list, so you can quickly see who ordered what, when, and the status of each order. If you've just launched and you don't see any orders yet, don't worry. They'll appear here as soon as you make your first sales. Now, here comes the crucial part. Marking orders as fulfilled. When you click into an individual order, Wix gives you the option to update its status. Marking an order as fulfilled lets you, and more importantly, your customer, know that the item has been packed up and sent on its way. It's like flipping a sign from work in progress to mission accomplished. And if you have a growing business, keeping on top of order statuses will help prevent mix-ups or late shipments. Just take a moment on each order to double-check the shipping details and then hit that Mark as Fulfilled button. Don't rush. Accuracy here really builds trust with your buyers. But there's one more thing you need to be aware of. In order to actually receive and process paid orders, your Wix store needs to be upgraded to a premium plan. That means if you're using the free version, you can set up your products and look at the order page, but you won't be able to accept real live orders until you've made the upgrade. It's a little bit like building a storefront, but needing to unlock the register before you start making sales. Upgrading is straightforward. Just follow the prompts Wix gives you and choose the plan that fits your business needs. And that's all there is to it. Checking and marking orders as fulfilled in Wix really is simple once you know where to look. If this walkthrough helped you out, show some love by hitting that like button. If you get stuck along the way or have questions about other Wix features, drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials and tips to make your online store a success. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.